Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. It looks like the Santa Claus rally is in effect, at least for the NASDAQ futures, which is what we are looking at here. This is a 2 minute time frame. And even though it's gone up at a fairly steady clip, these pullbacks are way too deep for my pockets. So as you can see on the screen there, I actually took a loss today. And, I'd be in something and then just a massive pullback in it, massive pullback. And like I said, that's just not the best way for me to trade. So I am calling it a day. Wanted to wish you all a very happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Yule, whatever it is that you might celebrate, or even just, hey, it's a new year coming up soon. Thank you so much to everybody who is a subscriber. I really do appreciate you and want to wish you all the very best to you, to your family, to your chosen family. Have a good one. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.